Hi everyone, now we can see CJ7 movie review. CJ7 is a 2008 Hong Kong China science fiction comedy drama film directed by Stephen Chow. It was released on January 31, 2008 in Hong Kong. It was also released on March 14, 2008 in the United States. Chowty is a poor construction worker. He lives in a partially demolished house with his 9-year-old son Dicky. T is eager to save money so he can continue sending his son to private school. Dicky is often bullied by other children, particularly by a boy named Johnny. One day, while at a department store, Dicky his father to buy him a popular robotic toy, CJ1. T cannot offer it, and the situation ends badly when T smacks the stubborn Dicky in front of other customers. That night, T visits the junkyard where he often picks up home appliances and clothes for Dicky. He finds a strange green left by a space saucer and takes it home, telling Dicky it is a new toy. On the following evening, the green transforms into a cute and alien creature that befriends Dicky. After playing with the alien, he learns that it has restorative powers after it restores a rotten apple that fell to the ground. Dicky is very thrilled and named the alien CJ7. Dicky dreams about the alien helping him gain popularity and good grades at school. In his dream, CJ7 is a genius inventor who creates barriers for him. Upon waking up, Dicky expects CJ7 to help him achieve his dreams, but CJ7 does not understand what Dicky asks him. After school, Dicky throws CJ7 into a garbage bin, but soon realizes that he was the one at fault. He rushes back to try and recover CJ7 from the bin, but it has been emptied by a garbage truck. To his dismay, going home, Dicky finds CJ7 sitting with T. At school, Dicky shares CJ7 tricks with other students. T loses his job when he gets into an argument with his boss, who asks Dicky at cheating on his test. He returns home only to find out that Dicky did cheat. The next day, T's boss apologizes and him with a bonus. T falls from a great height during work and is sent to the hospital. Miss Yon tells Dicky of T's accident just after he passed a test without cheating. At the hospital, Miss Yon informs Dicky that T has died. Unwilling to believe this, Dicky runs home. CJ7 uses up all of his power to help T. The next day, Dicky finds T sleeping beside him, but CJ7 gets energy and turns into a doll. In the end, Dicky sees a UFO descending onto the bridge before him. Many other alien dogs like CJ7 of various colors and patterns emerge running towards him, led by one that looks exactly like CJ7. Thank you all.